Hi friends, this is Ravishankar Muniswamy. I've started this YouTube channel to share my SQL and data knowledge that I've gathered for last 2 decades. I've worked with Microsoft, Oracle, and other companies, and pretty much I've worked with the database and data warehouse and ETL and analytics space for last 23 plus years. So I thought of sharing my knowledge, which could be helpful to a lot of upcoming buddies. And I'm sure this channel will give you a lot of learning experience, right? So new learning experience that it is going to give. So I'm going to be sharing a lot of SQL questions that people are asking in the interviews, and also I'm going to share project ideas and some of the SQL challenges, how we can solve, and what is the maybe showing giving multiple ways to solve a problem, and also gives pros and cons, which approach we should take versus the other, right? So that's my idea. So let's get started. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel.